On the afternoon of October 7th, 2023, deputies with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office responded to a Walgreens in Flagler Beach, Florida, following a report of suspected retail theft. Store employees reported that a woman had exited the business with merchandise that had not been paid for. By the time deputies arrived, the suspect had already left the store, but remained nearby with a shopping cart containing the items. According to investigators, the business initially declined to pursue a retail theft charge. Instead, employees requested that the woman be formally trespassed from the property. Deputies approached the woman, later identified as 51-year-old Jennifer Michelle Sheffield, and attempted to explain the situation.
Nothing like that.
Let me go. Let me fucking go, son. Stand up. Get your hands off me.
I'm going to help you stand
up. Get your fucking hands off me now. You don't need them on me. I'm in handcuffs. If I run, bitch, shoot me. Get the fuck off of me. Or you let her take care of me, one. She's a fucking police officer. Are you a police officer? Are you a police officer? And you need to be fucking taking care of me instead of letting these motherfuckers rock out me like this. Come take it over. Come take over.
Officers instructed her to remain calm while they investigated the incident. Body-worn camera footage shows the encounter quickly becoming confrontational. As deputies attempted to detain Sheffield, she repeatedly shouted at officers, insisting she was not resisting and demanding that they release her.
Hey.
I'm not going nowhere until I stand up and get in this motherfucker. And you let me go. What the fuck? You ain't done any goddamn thing I told you to fucking do. I'm gonna roll out the window and talk to you. No, you gonna talk to me right now.
Hey, sit
don't talk to me. Just sit on. Listen, I tell you what you gonna do. I'm sitting right here, and then you gonna talk to me, and you gonna question me. I'm not going nowhere.
Put your feet in.
Leave me the fuck alone. Get your hands off me.
Put your feet in for us.
I'm not. I'm talking to this officer. I'm in handcuffs. Y'all want to stand there to make sure I don't run off? You trade physicians with her. Is she scared? Trade off! You get your ass over here, and one of y'all trade off with her. If y'all scared, get your ass over here. I'm gonna roll out the window. No, you gonna take me?
During the struggle, she accused deputies of using unnecessary force and objected to male officers holding her on the ground. Officers continued issuing verbal commands, repeatedly instructing her to relax, stop resisting, and cooperate so they could safely place her into a patrol vehicle. According to the arrest report, deputies alleged that Sheffield kicked one of the officers during the struggle while actively resisting attempts to place her in custody. The deputy later stated the kick was intentional and occurred while officers were attempting to control her movements.
Let me go right now. Y'all, listen,
we're gonna get you up.
Well, we're gonna don't fucking know who the fuck I am, so y'all need to let me go.
We're gonna find that out.
Huh?
Roll over. She's a biker.
Huh?
Okay. Just roll over
No,
for
she
it.
ain't no biter, bitch.
You just tried to bite me.
No, I ain't tried to bite no fucking. You did.
There you go again, trying to bite. Hey. All right, there we go.
Hey, no, I said let me go. Get them motherfuckers off of me. Get them off of me. They sent me on me now. I'm a fucking female. Get them off of me now.
Take a deep breath.
Take care of your fucking female. Tell them to get off of me. Tell them to get the fuck off of me. A male should not be on a female like this. Get the fuck off of me. Get off of me now.
If you calm down,
I'm not gonna calm down until he gets off me. Listen. I'm not gonna. Listen, bitch. I'm in handcuffs.
I know.
And anybody else is in goddamn handcuffs. Don't need this force on them. Get me up and leave me the fuck alone.
Following the incident, deputies discussed additional charges based on the physical confrontation. Body camera audio captures, officers reviewing the circumstances and determining that the alleged kick supported a charge of battery on a law enforcement officer, along with resisting an officer with violence.
So what you need to do for me is fill out all this information here. Today's date, time that we're filling out is going to be 143. Your signature, all this information.
This is all me?
Yep.
Okay.
So, and then when it says phone number, just put the store numbers down because she gets a copy. So I don't want her calling your personal cell phone number.
Right.
Okay, I'm 10-4. Give you the copy here. Was that him?
Yeah, that's
This
him. Yeah.
I did not thought you meant something else. I think I was sworn him in. And then just write Florida DL or Florida driver's license.
While officers completed their investigation, they also spoke with Walgreens employees regarding the recovered merchandise. Employees confirmed they wished to pursue charges related to the shopping cart and provided investigators with documentation for the items involved.
I said it because you guys were running. Hey guys. How y'all doing?
How are you?
Good, and you?
Thank you for responding so quickly.
Yeah, she put up a little fight with us, but she's good now.
We figured she was probably going to.
Yeah. So you guys do want to pursue charges?
He said to pursue charges.
Who's the manager?
Neither of us. We're coming back to get the stuff. The manager that's on duty is in the store. So.
Okay, obviously training receipt for the items.
Okay.
And then if you guys are okay with it, we're going to do theft of the shopping cart as well. It's a different statute.
Okay.
So if you got a value on that, that would be helpful.
I can look that up. I know how to look that up.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Okay.
Dispatch records later confirmed Sheffield's identity and criminal history checks while deputies completed the arrest paperwork. According to jail records, Sheffield was booked into the Flagler County Detention.
It's the store's number here. So the address of the store.
Okay.
And then it's not pressing on there. The store address. And then FC. So the top one says 2, FCSO. And then that second one is going to be store address.
I wish this was part of my ride along.
Yeah, there's some days is
Facility on felony charges, including battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting an officer with violence. Public booking records also show the case remained pending.
Sarah, this is home phone. You only have a home phone? Do you have a cell phone?
It's my cell phone. I always put it down as home phone.
Okay, so this number is correct?
Yeah.
Okay. What are we doing now? No, I'm just finishing up. Decided to do the trespass.
So similar charges as trespass.
Yep, just trespass. I had everything prepared for like a whole report, not just trespass. So I got that done here. Just need to serve her. And then that. I'm gonna still leave you with this.
Okay.
And then this is what I need over here.
Later receiving a disposition recorded as time served, the body camera footage documents the entire encounter. From the initial detention through the arrest and the conversations between responding deputies as they determined the final charges.
Stand up! Get your hands off
I'm
me!
going to help you stand
Get
up.
your fucking hands off me now. You don't need them on me. I'm in handcuffs. If I run, bitch, shoot me!
Here you go again, trying to bite.
All right, there we go.
Let me go.
Hey.
No, I said let me go! Get them motherfuckers off.
Perfect. Alright, we're gonna go serve her the trespass and we'll come back and give you your copy and then that's it. This right here back. Just go ahead and give me signatures just in case they need that. This is just a, remember what I said, that a report will be conducted if they choose to do a report, and that way your information is not leaked out. We'll be under Walgreens information, but you know how technology these days.
Yeah, I hear all that, and my girlfriend works in that courthouse there.
Oh, there you go. So, print name up here and then just sign. This is just saying that it will be disclosed for 5 years. If after 5 years you wish to continue it, just fill out another form and it'll be an additional 5 years.
All right.
So like I said, we'll go serve her the trespass, and then we'll be back to give you your store copy. So then make sure we giving her the trespass and stuff.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll still grab all these just for record purposes.
Walgreens?
Just put Flagler County. You stay in Flagler, or yeah, Flagler County, and then put your date of birth. And then, like I said, none of this information leaks out. It's just for our records department. You sign that, and then same thing again. One of them is just an updated one, and one of them is just an old one. I like to do both just in case.
Just in case,
Yeah, I don't like, oh, you signed the wrong one. I'll be coming to find you like, oh, just do an updated one.